Hi everybody, welcome to week 4 and module 4. Maybe this is a good time to be thinking about managing stress, emotions, and decisions. If not, we're going to do it anyhow in module 4. So we're covering 2 different chapters, one on managing stress and emotions and the other on making decisions. You'll have 3 assignments this week on discussion board, on Amazon choosing a new headquarters about decision making. Your individual assignment is to evaluate how stressed you are and how good you are at managing that stress. And the journal this week is on the principle of developing and valuing people and resources. So the discussion board this week is asking you to look at a decision that Amazon made a couple years ago to locate a new headquarters facility in New York, and then they changed their mind and decided not to locate that facility in New York. So I have a couple of sources here, but you're welcome to use other sources if you have them. And specifically, try to use the concepts in Chapter 11 to first explain their decision and then to reverse their decision. So what was wrong? Was there anything wrong with that initial decision, or did new information come to light? And then think about biases, approaches, or ethical issues that might have explained this decision. Was there anything they could do differently? So post your response and then reply to at least 2 others. And your individual assignment is to evaluate your current level of stress, how well you manage it. So flow experience is a positive thing. So it's when your work challenges and your personal skill are a good match. So that's a good thing. We want to have flow. And then finally, talk about how you can manage stress or how you can help others in your organization to manage that stress. Finally, the journal this week is on developing and valuing people and resources. So, sorry, you can hear my cat in the background. So identify some examples when you felt appreciated and when you didn't feel appreciated, and identify ways that you can and will demonstrate appreciation to others in your life. So that's an assignment worth doing this week. So have a great week. I am finishing up the Module 2 assignments, if I haven't done yours already, today on Sunday. So I hope to see your work soon.